Imagine this: a storm so vast it swallows not just a city, not just a country, but an entire planet. Not a hurricane, not a typhoon, something far more alien. On Mars, these aren't ordinary storms. They are colossal, planet wide events that blot out the sun, bury valleys, and reshape landscapes in ways we can barely comprehend. Watch the video till the end to understand fully the science behind dust storms on Mars. We're talking about Martian dust storms. Forces of nature so extreme they make Earth's wildest weather look like a gentle breeze. And the question is, how does a single storm grow so unimaginably large? And what do these tempests mean for the future of Mars and for us? Let's start with the spectacle. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars. The sky begins to darken, not from clouds, but from a haze of red dust, rising slowly, then faster. What started as a few dust devils twisting in the distance has grown into an endless wall of storm, blotting out the horizon. Within days, the storm has wrapped around the entire planet, covering everything in its path. Welcome to Mars's dust storms, the biggest in the solar system. Unlike Earth, where storms are localized, Mars's storms can grow until they engulf the entire planet. At their peak, they can last for weeks, sometimes even months. But how do they start? It all begins with something deceptively small: a dust devil. Mars, with its thin atmosphere and dry surface, is constantly producing little whirlwinds. On Earth, they'd be harmless. But on Mars, conditions are different. The atmosphere is thin, yes, but it's also highly responsive to sunlight. A little patch of warming creates big temperature differences. And that heat drives winds. The winds lift fine particles of dust. Dust so small and light, it can stay suspended for weeks. Once it starts, the process feeds itself. Sunlight heats the surface, winds lift dust, the dust blocks sunlight, the atmosphere changes, and suddenly you've got a chain reaction spiraling into chaos. Soon, one small dust devil becomes a regional storm. That storm grows, merges with others, and before long, it's global. To put it in perspective, Earth's largest hurricanes might stretch 1,000 kilometers across. A Martian dust storm? It can cover the entire planet, all 25 million square kilometers of it. That's bigger than every continent on Earth combined. Now, you might think, it's just dust, right? But this dust isn't harmless. It's erosive, abrasive, and relentless. Over millions of years, storms like these have helped carve Mars's surface, shaping dunes, shifting sand seas, and even altering canyons. Dust storms act like the great transport system of Mars. Material from one side of the planet can end up halfway across the globe. Rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity have all captured evidence of landscapes literally being rewritten in front of their cameras. Dunes shifting, rocks being uncovered or buried, craters slowly disappearing under layers of dust. Every storm is like a giant planetary brushstroke, painting and repainting Mars's surface. But here's where it gets personal. These storms don't just shape Mars, they threaten us. In 2018, a planet-wide dust storm swallowed the Opportunity rover. Solar panels choked in dust, power levels dropped, and eventually Opportunity, one of the most successful missions in history, went silent forever. For future astronauts, the danger is even greater. Dust isn't just a nuisance. It's toxic, electrostatic, and capable of damaging equipment. Solar power can vanish overnight. Visibility drops to nothing. Communication gets tougher. Colonists on Mars will have to design habitats and systems not just for radiation and cold, but for storms that can last for months. And here's the challenge. You can predict a hurricane on Earth, but predicting a planet-wide dust storm on Mars, that's a puzzle scientists are still trying to solve. So are these storms becoming more intense? Some scientists believe so. Mars has been drying and cooling for billions of years. And as its climate evolves, these storms may play a bigger role in shaping its surface. Others think the storms are cyclical, part of long-term climate rhythms we don't yet fully understand. What we do know is that these storms hold secrets. They're not just weather, they're windows into the history of Mars's atmosphere, its climate, and maybe even its lost oceans. And as dramatic, destructive, and dangerous as they are, they also capture our imagination. They remind us that Mars isn't just a dead rock. It's alive, in its own way, with weather so extreme it defies belief. So the next time you see that faint red dot in the sky, remember, beneath its quiet glow, storms are raging that could cover entire continents on Earth. Storms that have shaped Mars for eons. Storms that may decide whether humanity can ever truly call Mars home. Because on Mars, weather isn't just weather, it's the force that devours a planet.